Guys, if you want to enable keyboard light on your Dell laptop, just follow these exact steps and you will be able to enable keyboard light. Now, the first thing, guys, you need to do is to click on FN, as you can see here. So the meaning of FN is function. Now you just want to look for FN. Like I said, the meaning of FN is function. Click on FN. At the same time, you want to click on F5 in the top. Okay, this is F5. Now you want to just click on FN. At the same time, you want to click on F5. Now if this doesn't work, you want to look for F10. Okay, in your keyboard in the top, just search for F10 and click on F10. Click on it, just click on it. And if you want to increase the brightness, you just want to click on it again. Now if this doesn't work, you just want to click on F5 alone. Don't click on FN, just click on F5. Okay, and see if it works. Now let's say that this doesn't work. Okay, you just wanna drop a like on this video and watch the video in the screen, and you will be able to enable your keyboard light on any Dell laptop. Okay, just click the video in the screen. Even laptops that don't support this feature, you can enable keyboard light by clicking the video in the screen. See you next.